Going up and down the mountains.
So hey guys, we have found this cool little camp spot. It did require a reservation, so I called ahead, was able to get the campsite. It was great, not very expensive, and guess what? It's right on the river. Good morning. Oh, let's see if we can get some lights going on here. Hi. Oh, there you are. Hi. Hi. How did you sleep? How did you sleep? You make me record. Okay, oh my goodness, look how, no, not yet. Hey, come here, let's get you wiped off some. Oh my goodness, somebody's all dirty, come here, you're gonna need your little massaging, aren't you? You're gonna need a little massaging. You're gonna have to show Amy how you get a massaging. Okay, you ready? Okay. Come this way? Over down here. See it? Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Stuff, but I want it 20. You can do it. Kind of keep an eye on where it is, and you may have to turn it a little bit or whatever. It doesn't have your face. On? Yeah, it's on. It's recording right now.
Oh, God.
So, it's okay. I mean,
salad! Caesar salad! Okay. Let's see how much of an idiot I am.
got the burgers going under a nice hot fire. Oh yeah, we're eating good today. Here we go. Here she goes. Dun, dun, dun. Be careful, it'll get slippery. Yeah. Sit on your butt. I am. Oh my God. You ready? Yep. Oh